The other day I was at the Evolution Store in New York City when I came across this beauty and wondered, can crystals be part of Gothic homemaking? Well, the next day I stumbled into Rockstar Crystals, where they have a huge selection of pretty rocks. Since purple figures heavily into the color scheme of the layer, I was of course attracted to things like this beautifully dyed agate slice and these purple dyed geodes. I also picked up these amethyst clusters and quartz generators. This place really rocks. Well, agate slices make for great coasters, of course, but I'm going to use them as the base for my crystals. Next came the amethyst clusters and geodes. The generators looked great standing on the agate, or drop a battery-operated candle into a votive candle holder, place your generators in there, and they'll really glow. And now my skulls look like they're nestled in a cave. I even got one for Orville's crypt. Well, Kryptonite, of course. Oh, are you still here? People usually tune out after I ask them to subscribe. Well, as a thank you, one of you is going to win this amazing Kryptonite resin statue by JK Custom Concepts. Just tell me in the comments what your superpower is, and one person is going to get this in the mail. Thanks for watching.